Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Bluetooth over here and tap on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one, in my case this one. Finally, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, tap on this little icon next to the device and choose Unpair. If you want to connect to the same one, switch off Bluetooth, then switch it back on. Click on it and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!